All right, here we got the split squat iso, and specifically we're going to be utilizing this exercise for anybody that's got knee pain, specifically like jumper's knee, Osgood Schlatters, or there's a lot of different diagnoses you can get, or they might diagnose you with patellar tendinopathy. Same idea, same treatment strategy here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get set up into a split squat. Okay, so I got my back, my hip pocket on the trail leg, line with my ear, line with my shoulder. Now, the degree in which you'll lower yourself will depend on how you can tolerate the pain. So you might only go down about this low. That's totally fine. The idea is to get yourself set. Think like, think we're getting like going down in an elevator. So we're going straight down, and then we're loading by allowing the knee to drift forward. And you'll start to feel that pressure increase on your knee. Again, we want that to be in a pain-free, or even just a slight bit of pain's okay, but definitely not to where it's like intolerable holding the position. And then once you get there, you're gonna hold that for the specific amount of time that I write on your program, and then you'll go ahead and you'll rest before you do the other side. So that might be, again, that might be in this position here. I might be able to take it even lower and go here and hold position. The idea though is that it's through a pain-free or mostly pain-free range of motion. Get the elevator hip set first, then you can start to shift forward to the knee. You'll feel that pressure increase on your knee, but make sure that you're getting your position down more so than anything. The other thing too, with looking at the front view here, with the foot, you wanna make sure you see two different positions with my shin bone and on my foot here. So as I go on the outside of my foot, you'll see the shin kind of rotates out with it. We want to make sure that we're maintaining pressure on the medial, so the inside of the foot and the big toe, and keeping your shin bone stacked over your foot as you hold position, okay?